Hiring like ano? Hiring like. Thank you, Alejandro. Nimol, thank you. Hindi ka nabibisita ng Pilipinas naman. Hindi nga natuloy yung bisibisita mo. Batman, you either own them or get the tax return. Ganun naman talaga. Hmm. Like a painting. Do you want to see? Sige later. Do you want to see my one of my painting? I'm gonna show you guys. Ito oh. This one. Yan. Yan yun. One of my artworks. That's not mine, ha? Ano siya, ang tawag nito? Pinagawa siya sa akin. Commission. Oo. Kasi I need a job. I need to have a side hustle because I just living on my own to pay my own bills like that. Smoke? That's a biohazard panda. I need you to be my painting. Painting? Painter ka ata. How much did you get? That's only 1,500. But if the paint or the anime is easy, I can charge you 1,000 on. Yeah. I'm just a low affordable painter. I'm just an affordable painter po. Oo. You can do a paint business. Boss Ryan, sabi, ano daw? Sorry na, hindi ako marunong mag-English eh. Okay lang po. I don't know how to talk to English. I'm just a beginner. Walang tao-tao. Sige lang. Mabanimbo ko. You're cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I do ride the bikes po. I'm a beginner. I'm a Bisaya. That's why.